riding on the Skyliner.
We're gonna take the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios today.
This is our first day at the park, right?
Well, we've been to it in other resorts, but we haven't ever took the Skyliner.
Right, and it looks kind of cool. Look at how fast they go.
And I never took the Skyliner at Disney. I only took one in Hershey. They made it a ride.
Yeah. Good morning!
Are you guys headed to Hollywood Studios?
Hollywood Studios.
Ooh, it's gonna be this way.
Perfect, thank you.
I think the color car represents where you're going. I would say color.
Wow, look at this. It's fast.
Yeah, it's faster than the first one.
You don't even have to wait. Yellow cabin. Step in, Deb.
Yeah, get on.
Oh.
They're running too. I love it.
Whoa! Look! Our very first Skyliner ride. Woody! Jesse! And Buzz Lightyear. All right, we're off, guys. Woo!
I can't wait.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, look, the candle, Lumiere and Cogsworth.
Whoa, look at this.
That's pretty cool,
Welcome
actually.
aboard the Disney Skyliner, a Disney Vacation Club. If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood
Look
Studios,
at the water.
Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Say bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Island hopping.
This is genius.
Whoa! Julian, are we going to the park? Yeah.
We're going to Disney.
Hey, Disney.
Disney! Woo woo! We're gonna go to see Hollywood Studios.
There's a nice.
Oh, look how cute.
And it's
The
a-
7
We are
Dwarfs.
now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, where every day feels like a Junkanoo celebration.
Oh, Kristoff and
Kristoff.
what's his name?
Sven.
Sven.
Sven. Kristoff and Sven. That one didn't.
Oh, look at that. Then you descend back down.
In just a few moments, we will be landing at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Ready? Ooh.
And then we gotta shoot over to a different one. That was the quickest we've ever gotten on any transportation in all of Disney World.
Oh
The absolute quickest.
I'm sure you have people who are afraid of heights.
We're
who won't
going to
take it.
Disney.
My mom.
After Disney. Auntie. Park, Mommy.
Welcome to the
Auntie
islands
Mikey.
of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All
Huey, Dewey, and
passengers must
Louie.
disembark or transfer
Oh,
at
boy.
this station. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
Oh, what if they made these magic
So-
Please remain seated until the doors
What if they
automatically
made these
open.
magic
When airplanes
Whoa.
supervise children. Collect
Look
your
at
bags
Ratatouille.
and watch your step. Thank you for
All
flying.
right, we gotta get off. And we're gonna switch. All right, so now we just got off. There's the tiniest of lines getting on the new. Hey, Aunt. Look at how quick people get on. This is incredible. Anthony. Wait. Look at how fast.
and credit to Blue. Watch
Jen,
step
take
remain
this.
seated as
Jen,
they
take
entertain
this.
parade throughout the entire flight. But most importantly, happy birthday. Watch the step up. Party on two. Watch the two. Watch the step remain.
I don't know.
Party on three is starting yellow.
I'm scared.
We're in the Skyliner.
Another one. We're on a red
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Hey, this is the sky. Oh my God, I'm going backwards. I'm coming backwards. I'm going backwards. Oh my gosh. How can we see that?
This is the coolest thing.
Ladies, gentlemen, and islanders of all ages, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the park. We're gonna go to Hollywood Studios.
Are you gonna go to the park first?
All right, so our very first time on.
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
We're gonna do it. The line's kind of long, but it seems to be moving. We excited?
Yeah.
You excited? All right. Ah, Minnie Mouse pin on the railway. Awesome. Let's see what this is about.
How many?
4.
2. Kids in first or between the adults?
Step 2.
Go ahead, go.
Everybody,